Hi everybody, it's Carla, and I am here to do probably my only Easter-ish video. So I am doing a bowl, and I'm gonna do a little bird from the little mold I made, and the bird's gonna be in the bowl, and maybe some butterflies on the bowl, and that's my plan so far. Kind of bare bonesy. The only thing I know I'm going to do is I've mixed up almost 2 cups of resin, even though this bowl should only take 8 ounces. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha, she says, knowing dang well that my estimations are sometimes right. Sometimes is a key word. So what I've done is I've put it, what I want to start off with, there's a little hair on here. Oh, Harley. Ugh. Is there another one? No, I forgot about cat hair. Okay. So I've mixed up my own little concoction of opal-esque glitters because I want to put that in here. I'm going to start off with this. I'm going to pour this down around the sides because I want this glitter to be around the rim. I've put a little bit of rainbow dust, Rainbow by Marabou alcohol ink. I've put a little bit of rainbow in, a little bit of diamond dust. The real stuff, the real diamonds. Yeah. I'm just gonna kind of let that just flop down. Oh, okay, this is very tight, huh? Oh, that glitter is beautiful. Oh. Ah. Oh my god. I want to eat it. Oh, I don't know if you can see the colors in that. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay. I think that should be enough to start. How am I going to get it to all move down in there? Okay, I'm gonna just tilt it a little bit. I'm gonna give it some encouragement. Could also use the heat gun, but I think I'll just do it this way. Oh my gosh, I should just do the whole thing just like this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, maybe if I just help you guys over the hump there. Yeah, oh, this is probably enough because I don't want it to be all like this on the sides. I'm gonna have color in here too, that I know for sure. So let me get this scooped over here. I hope everybody has great weather where you are. Boy, we're heading into spring with a vengeance, and had a beautiful day. Oh my goodness. I sat out in the sun for 30 minutes and I almost fell asleep. And that's not something I do. It was so nice. Oh my god, it was so nice. So beautiful. We are so lucky to be here. Each and every one. Everyone. Okay. I don't think I need to go bananas here and try to get all of this off because yeah, some might show through, but might not. We'll see. No, we don't know, do we? Nope, we don't know. So, I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be putting this little cactus or flower or whatever it is. I forgot. I think it's a cactus into the center, and then the little bird is going to be sitting on the cactus right in the center of my bowl. So maybe this little cactus could use some of this glitter in the tips to tie it in. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll just put a little bit in here. Yeah, when this is cactus now, I remember. I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Let me move you out of the way. Can you see? Yeah. So I'm just taking a little bit on the stick and I'm going to drop it into the little crevices. And this is how I do too, like if I'm going to do like little red tips, I just go in and I just put little drips in here. And not all of them will get it. Some might get too much. But I try to get a little bit in all of them. This is very convoluted. Okay, so then I'm just going to wait until I mix up some other colors, and then I will fill that in. Oops, I gotta get down here. This needs to probably be higher. Let's see. Like that, maybe? Maybe that's better. Okay. So let me set that there. Let me bring this back over here. And you move there. I want to stay with like I think, a red, yellow, blue theme. Because it's just kind of cool what happens. But I'm going to play a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to play a little bit. I'm going to start out with this one, and I'm going to use some of this red neon powder from Let's Resin. Can you see it? And not too much. I got to keep an eye on the video because boy, it's so frustrating when I'm sitting here talking and I look up and it's a big red thing on this screen that says no memory. I like this. It's not a mica color. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, so I got some red, the neon red. Come on, get on there. And then I'm going to do some neon yellow. Why not? This will just be chocolate. I don't have enough room. I'll use that off. And I'll make this one yellow. Ooh, not too much. The only thing that'll happen with that little bit of red that's on this stick is it might make this a little bit of an orange, but maybe not. Oh, man, it's like radioactive yellow. I know I love this color. I'm not even a yellow person, but this is like radioactive. It's so cool. Okay, it's not mixed in. Mix. Oh, that's right. They suggest that you mix these first in a little bit of resin before you add in the rest. Oh dear. Okay, well, I'll just give it a little Betty Crocker smash. Okay, so I got yellow, I've got my red, and thinking about doing the blue with the tiniest bit of mica powder. Just a teeny bit. How much is a teeny bit? I don't know if you can see, that's just a, oh yeah, you can. It's like a half a pea size. Just want a little bit of it. Oh, make a mess. Grab another stick. Let's see what happens here. Okay, good. It's not dark. That's what I want. I want not dark. Yep, that's okay. Oh, little dear. Ouch. Did a lot of sitting yesterday. Oof. My hiney is tired of sitting, I have to say. Add some cerulean, maybe? don't know if that was a good idea or a bad idea, but I'm doing it anyway. Oh, what color is that? Wow. Oh my goodness, that's really pretty. Okay. So I also want to put some glitter in this stuff. And I want to put the white glitter. Put some white glitter in you. A little bit in you. A little bit in you. Okay. Now I'm wondering, what am I going to do? What exactly was I planning on doing? So do I want to do red, orange, yellow? Or do I want to do red, blue, yellow? Yeah, red, blue, yellow. Let's do that. All right. Now, okay, so I've got everything all mixed up except for you. And I'm going to put this on in the weirdest way. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not making a bloom or anything, but I'm gonna just kind of like put this red around here in the line. Do I have enough? Oh yes, I do. Come back over here. Okay, whatever's left in there, I'm gonna keep it. And then I'm gonna do the blue. This will help push the red down. And then I'm gonna do yellow. Oh, I'm gonna need more. Add some more blue in here. The rest of the blue, put that in here. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more. That's okay. Still have yellow, and I have some of this, and I have more resin. All right, how far am I from being full? Oh, this mold is from Let's Resin, by the way, and this was one of the first gifts that Dawn got for me. My resin fairy. Hi, Dawn. Huh. So, I don't know how much more I need, but I think I would take a little bit more red. I have more yellow and some blue. All right. Okie dokie. So now I'm going to use some different. I'm not going to use the same powders. I don't know why. I just don't want to. And do I have a red? No. I have blue. I have a dark blue. Let's do a dark blue. How much blue is that? Hardly any. Okay. A little bit more. And I'm going to do some neon blue. What do I have here? Regular bright blue. Nah. How about dark blue? Yes. Hopefully this is open already. I have Dark blue by Let's Resin mica powder. Mica powder, are you saying? As if I'm not sure. Could be. Okay, get that back on there. And I had screwed my glove into it. Some red. Red. Some ruby red. Let's do some ruby red in here. These are resin dyes that I'm using. I think that's what that one is. This one's still that. I could add some of this really bright yellow, that's resin lemon yellow dye in here. Yep. Oh, I know. What color is that? Gold? Green? No. Okay. Mix this up. And I'm going to pour this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to pour this around a ring like this. I'm just experimenting. I'm baking a cake with no flour and no sugar and no oven. And it's gonna be a good one. Really, really good cake. Because I'm gonna buy it from a bakery. Because I don't have an oven or sugar or flour. Alright. Okay, Carla. Okay, Carla, you're fine. You're fine. What's this? What's this? Ooh, look at that color. Ooh, I think we want some of this color. This is called rose red. Oh, cha-cha-cha. I don't know. Wait, I'm not even sure you can see. That's kind of a lot. So I'll only put half of that in there. That's pretty. Let me show you. I don't know if I showed you. Rose red by Resineers. That's a pretty color. Wow. Let's see. All right. Ooh, this might do it. I'm going to just pour some of this in the middle. Maybe all of this into the middle. But I think I'm going to just save a little bit for this thing. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Tacos. See, I've got this, and I've got a little bit of red left in here. And I'm just going to drizzle this across the openings. Give it a little spin. So now I've got some glitter, and I've got some red in there. And there. Okay. There's that. Save these cups for the next little thing. And we're almost at the top. Almost. So, I have a feeling this is going to be like a circus ball. Oh well. That's okay. I'm not going to be doing anything for, I almost said Halloween, for Easter. Not going to be doing anything at all. That's okay with me. Let me see here. I wanted to add some of this to the bottom. So let me do that real quick. Add some of this to the bottom. Oh, why do I just want to add blue right in the middle of that? Oh, I just really do. I really, really do. I just want some blue in there. So maybe not too much, but just a little bit. And I'm going to use just some cerulean. That's not really blue, though. That's more blue-green. About put a little dark blue in there. Give it a little bit more. Oh, I could do. Oh, I need to do that bird too. That's right. That's right. Okay. All right. How is this? I don't know if that's not deep enough. I want some darker blue, please. How about some midnight blue? Oh yeah. Oh, oh God. I want you open. Well, okay. Anything that I have to force like that is not worth it to make my hands all sore. Ooh. Yeah. Yes, this is what I want. Darker blue. Yep. I know it's still light, but it's still what I want right in the middle of all that glitter. Yep. I think it's full-ish. All right. And I think I'll do some of this blue, what's left in here and here. And I think I am going to turn this yellow into green. And here I'm just going to dump in this clear. And that should be full. Why does it take me so long to do this? Why does it take me so long? And then a little bit more of this. Right here in the middle. And that is full. Yay! Oh, mercy. Oh, dear. Oh, dear, Carlos, you try so hard. Oh, yes, poor dear. Poor dear. Oh, okay. It's like a rainbow bundt cake that your third grader made for you. With their easy bake oven and unrefrigerated eggs. Have some. Have some. Enjoy yourself. Okay, because it's Easter, everything needs to be glittery, so I'm going to take this yellow, because I need to fill up the little flower thing now, and I'm going to try to turn it into a green. Like a real glittery green. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh. All right, and now I'm going to take this. Can you see that? And I am going to get my big old hand out of the... I don't have a big hand. I'm going to go from real high, and I'm not going to move it. I'm just going to hold it in one spot and let it fill in the spaces. It's so tempting to go back and forth, but you get less bubbles. You get less toils and troubles. Oops, is this not going to be enough? Happy Easter to me. Happy Easter to me. Oopsie, it's so tempting to... Oh, why am I holding that in my hand? So tempting to just move it around, but if you let it fill up the gaps on its own, generally. That's better. Okay. I think this might be perfect. Let's see. You get a little of this clear out of here. And ta-da. Ta-da. I think that's perfect. Okay, and now I need... Ooh, put the lid on this glitter. For sure. And I need that little bird. And now I put a whole bunch of blue holographic glitter inside here. You can't see it. You can see it glittering. A whole bunch of blue. I'm making a bluebird. I was going to do a bunny. I have this bunny mold. But this bunny mold is kind of not bad, not great. Just fair. So I'm going to do the bird instead. I bought this bird. Is this the one I bought? Yeah, for 95 cents at the Goodwill. It had a little picture frame hook thing in there. So I made a mold and it sucked. And so then I made another one and I think this one's good. So I'm gonna... Boy, I'm sitting here and all of a sudden I am hungry. I need to make this a bluebird. I guess I could do it in this cup. Tag what blue I've got here. Oops. Put it in there. And needs to be darker. I don't want it to be very dark, so I'm going to take some of the dark blue. I'm going to add a little bit of my favorite color, which is my black color. Oh, I can't get this to go on here. Okay. My May Springs Opulent Tanzanite. Sorry, I am really off kilter, aren't I? I'm not even anywhere near the camera, and I'm like, see? Don't say I didn't show you. Yeah. Oh. What is that? Your chafe? Ah. Whew. Okay, I can't get any lids to go. I'm going to blame it on some... What can I blame this on? None of the lids want to go back on. My gloves. Alright, so I've got some of my favorite Tanzanite, Opulent Tanzanite in here. And I've got some of the dark blue by Let's Resin. The Opulent Tanzanite is by May Springs. May Springs is my favorite. So this is going to be very blue, isn't it? Wow, that's almost too dark. So I think I'm going to take a little bit of white. I wanted it to be more spring blue, not woodpecker blue or blue jay blue. The birds you see in the snow, not those birds. I think you see them in the snow. I haven't lived in the snow since we lived in St. Louis. And I was in the 1st or 2nd grade. We lived in the snow a few times, I guess. Once in Utah when I was 3. Oh, that's like silvery blue now. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Cha-cha-cha. All right, let's hope there's enough. Because, now come on, I only needed 1 cup of this stuff. I made 2 cups. And there should be plenty for these few little extra things. My resin's getting warm. Okay. Fill it up, Miss Birdie. Okay, this mold if I remember right, and I don't remember exactly, has a tail that's up like a little bit higher. So that's his head, right? That's his tail. Okay. I'm gonna tilt it. Or is that his tail? Is that his tail? Or is that his tail? I can't tell. I can't tell. So I'll just tilt it a little bit because I think that's his tail. Her tail. Alright. Ta-da. Okay, good. I have enough left to do a few other little things. Is it good? Alright, so. Oh, I wish I hadn't done dark blue, though. Ah, chocolate. I don't want dark blue. I wanted a dark blue bird, but I don't want dark blue anything else. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Chocolate. How about I let you guys go? It's been 36 minutes. It's been way too long. I'm gonna have to edit this down. I'm gonna let you go and I'll figure out what to do with this. Be back in a sec. Okay, we're back, and hopefully everything is complete and dry now. I hope. It's nice and warm. I made this after, with the leftover resin, and I got dye all over my nails. I was thinking, I want nice fingernails. I want like the real pretty little dot hand. I want my fingernails done so that when I'm doing stuff, my hands look all dainty and cute. I literally look, I don't know, like I scrub cast iron pots with my fingernails. Let's see what happened here. This is gonna be. I don't even know what to say. I really don't even know what to say. This has got everything that was left. And I just literally, maybe it turned out okay. Let's see here, folks. Let's see here. Oh, it's not bad at all. I was so worried because I had this like dark purpley black color left, and I thought, well, and I had all this red like plasma, even though it looks like chocolate on here. And I thought, okay, we'll just put the dark color in there, and then we'll put the red, and I'll put the little bit of glitter that I had left in the things. So what really surprises me is how cute it came out. So, what does it need? What's missing? Ugh. Let me give it just one little bit of touch up. Okay. All this little baby needs right here is an eyeball. I'm just going to do black. And maybe just the tiniest little whoop baby right there for the mouth. Just tiny. All right. This could actually use a little black right there too. I hope it's not too different of a color. Maybe just add a little bit here and there. Well, that's crazy because I just thought that's going to be wasted resin, but better to waste it on a potential little thing. This little mold is just adorable. Just so cute. Looks like a swimming pool, huh? Oh, there could be a. Oh, look how cute that would be if that dolphin was standing up in like a little pool of water, because it would look like the dolphins that do the tricks. They'll do the tricks, Carla. Jesus. I don't know where that. Okay. Okay. Anyway, love this little mold. I did find this on Amazon, so there is a link. For the first time I did it, I put a link in there. I got this from Temu, but I don't have links for Temu, and some people don't want to wait. All right, so here's the little cactus flower plant. Looks like it's made out of sugar. All right, real simple. Hard to believe I put all the purple and you can see some of the reds. You can definitely see the glitter where I put it down inside there. This little mold came out actually really well. I don't see or feel any air bubbles. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. And so now, time for the bird. I'm going to give you all my bird. I wonder why they call the middle finger giving somebody the bird. What? Why? Where did that come from? All right. This is not that hard to demold. Oh, please tell me it has a face. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I think her little nose... Well, folks, we lost a nose and a tail. Happy Easter. Oh, no. All right, there's the nose. The beak. I'm surprised, maybe because this mold is so thick, it would take longer to come out. Oh, man. Now I gotta go to surgery. Oh. Okay, I can't get this piece out. I need the tail, please. Okay, well, I will get this tail out because this bird needs a tail. And I can't finish this video without a tail, even though I do have a stand-in bird. It's pink, but it's still... I can't see what I'm doing. The little tail is just jimmied in there, isn't it? Dang it. Maybe if I stick something in there. I'll pop it out. Nope. Almost. Sorry, I know you can't see what I'm doing, but even if I put this directly under the camera, you still cannot see what I'm doing. You just have proof of life this way. All right. Oh. Oops, we don't want to lose the beak. Yeah, see, I do have a stand-in bird just in case. I mean, I didn't do it on purpose, but I do have one. So just in case this little bird can't get the proper medical care. Okay, I want you out. There we go. Yay! Okay. So here's the tail. Yeah, it's not cured, that's why. So I'll just, before I go gluing it all together, I'll decide which one I like the best. All right, here we go. Here's the big old bowl. And I don't know if this is going to be like a chip bowl or if I'm going to plant some flowers in here. Flowers. Succulents. It's still a little... Oh, it looks so Easter. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, sorry. I'm so excited. Just like, I go walking off, talking to my bowl. And you guys are like, wait, where'd she go? Where'd she go? I'm taking my bowl for a walk. This looks very Easter. Oh, I'm very happy. Okay, because these look like flowers. And this looks like, just chocolate chips in it. Come on, T-Bill. Let's go. Oh, I'm super happy. So far, so wonderful. Oh, my goodness. Man, I'm loving this. Come on. Thank you. Oh, it looks very Easter. Yay. Not as Easter as like just pink and yellow. But very spring. Very, very spring. In almost jewel-toned ways. Wow. That's really, really, really pretty. That looks like an Easter basket. So my idea is to put this in the middle and to have one of my little birds sitting on it, or just have one of the birds sitting in there like that. Probably we'll do that. Probably just have it in there. Have a snail, fill it up with water, and put in a dolphin. That's not how they laugh. Excuse me. I do have a bunny. Could put a bunny in my bowl. I did want it though to stand, to be higher, so that if I put like chips in here or peanuts, then they would be elevated. This just doesn't look very good. I don't like it very much. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't know. I just don't know if it goes with the bird. The blue one. It looks like a budgie. I think the blue one probably looks better, but what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Let me put you on pause for a minute while I see about gluing this little thing together and looking for something to put them on. Hold on. Okay, so I fixed the little blue bird, and I'm very crowded here. No, hold on 1 second. Oh dear. Okay, just stuff is touching me. Quit touching me. So here is my bowl. I am going to glue these in. I went ahead and I found the little nose, dropped it a few times in the carpet, found it again and again, and then painted it gold, put a little gold and black in the eyes, did his little tail. What I did for this one was I put some gold around the edges of the leaves, and I'm just gonna like cut off, I think, most of this under part, so I don't really need it. I don't think. Once I cut it off, I'm not gluing it back on. So you better be sure. It's like getting your hair cut really short when you only ask for an inch off. Okay, never mind. So this is going to go right here in the center. My little bird is going to go right there on top of it, and this is my Easter bowl. I'm going to do this right now, though. I'm going to glue it in just with with like my own little language I have here. Can't think of words with my super glue. So I'm just going to put a little bit of super glue right there. Put my little thingy right there. And then how do I need to glue you on? Pretty much right here needs glue. I don't know where else. Right there. Right there. Where else? And, oh, okay, right here. That should be enough. Make sure I have it all. Do so many things at one time. Put the lid on. Make sure it's this way. Make sure it's that way. Let's make sure that this is still where I want it. The little bird is where I want it. And yeah, I think that's like exactly what I like. And we'll come down here so you can see better. See how cute? I don't really want to be flipping it around right now. But yeah, see my Easter bowl? I could put Easter candy in there. I have to put like black licorice so I don't eat it. I could be starving and I probably wouldn't eat black licorice because it makes me feel like I'm going to be sick. Aren't you glad I told you that? I need to see something here real quick. What is the dimension? This is 8 inches. The bird is right there at 4. Okay. 8 inches. Yeah, I'd say that's probably pretty good. Make sure That's how I want it. Aw, I really like this. I really like this. I think this is awesome. Could have another birdie here. Yeah, no, I like this. I like this a lot. I love how the, I don't want that to move. It's going to move around. Let me just take it out for a minute. I like how the sides are on this. It's very, very Easter. Surprisingly. Surprisingly. And put you back in there. Oh, I think it's so cute. I do. I think it's really, really cute. Let me get a little look at it from up here to see if I messed it up too much. 8. Yeah, I think I did. Should be. Oh yeah, we'd want it at the shoulders. Yeah, okay. I think you're good. I think it's good. I like it a lot. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and that if you liked it, you can give me a thumbs up. If you don't mind, I need to look at so you can see better. So you can see our other little. Why am I just all klutzy fingered? What else did I make? I made that. This. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this or learned something or got inspired by something. But so before I go, I'd like to just let you all know how much I love you. I appreciate each and every one of you. You have no idea how much it means to me to have a little tribe of my own. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being with me. And I hope that you're getting something out of this. So if we could just for just 1 minute, just like stop and close your eyes just for a second. Just close your eyes and take a big breath in and then let it out. And then I want you to remind yourself that nothing is going to be perfect in this life because there's no such thing as perfection. And even though not everything is going to be perfect, everything will be okay. So I want you to have a beautiful day. Take care of yourself. Treat yourself well. Don't ever feel guilty about taking care of yourself first. It's kind of a necessity. And yeah, I should probably see you in another video before Easter. But if I don't, happy Easter. I hope everybody is spending time with their families and having a great time. And if you aren't spending time with anybody this Sunday, you're not alone. There's a lot of us that don't do that or do it sometimes and don't do it others. This is just working out to be gonna spend the did I say Halloween? Probably. I'm gonna spend Easter with my kitty. Yeah, I'm very okay with that. I'm gonna have to get an Uber and go get me something from some candy from the store. Fill my dish with candy. I love you guys. So don't fret. Smile, share kindness, and know it is going to be okay. Everything is. I hope you like this. I like it. I'm happy. I'm happy. Ooh. Happy. Happy. This would be cute on here, wouldn't it? For Easter. Just put it on there. Like, I'm happy. This dolphin looks very mischievous. Doesn't he? He's got like little squinty eyes and a smile on his face. It's like he likes to jump out of closets and scare people kind of person thing. Well, could make a necklace out of that. Not yet. I gotta wait till I get my purple hat and red shoes. And then and I'll start making necklaces out of things like this. All right. Oh, this little bird in this little bowl is very precious, and I can't wait to fill it up with Easter candy. Have a great, 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 great Easter, and hopefully I'll see you before then, and maybe I'll do my nails. Okay, well, we'll see. I love you guys very, very much, and yeah. Oh, it's springtime. Very loving, happy time. Okay, bye. I love you guys. Bye. Take care. Come back and see me, please. Oops, go, go, go. Okie dokie.